Hi everyone, my name is Sadek and I am a PLM in STL. Today I would like to introduce you to a product that brings compactness, durability and reliability in a very wide range of outdoor applications, the STL NanODC. The STL NanODC is a compact IP68 rated enclosure, flame retardant, UV resistant, that is perfect for every harsh environment. Whenever it's for underground, pole mounting or attached to facades, this product is built to provide always a high performance in all these type of installations. The STL NanODC, this product is designed to be the final outside plant distribution and splitting point. It provides a reliable protection and high performance before reaching the end users. This product with its small size is perfect for compact handholds and for non-invasive facade installations. But now let's dive into the key features that make this product stand out. So this product can support up to 12 drop cables with its button configuration, and it can support up to 24 uncut retractable cable modules. But now let's open this product. As we can see, it's completely toolless, easy to open and very easy to close. As we can see inside, we have a splice cassette. This type of splice cassette is providing us 12 splicing positions, splicing junction positions, and the position for a PLC splitter. In this case, in this solution, this product is perfect for the nano GPON distribution point. Otherwise, we can provide the splice cassette that can hold up to 24 splice junctions. In this case, the product is perfect for the cable transition from outdoor-indoor and cable repairs. As we can see, the product shares the same gaskets technology of our already known, well-known micro-DC. So it's a technology it's sealing technology that is already ensured and guaranteed, well guaranteed. Here below the cassette, as we can see, we have several gaskets. The external ones are mainly used for the feeder cables, for the midspan cable. And then in the middle, we have several gaskets that can be used for the drop cables and for the branching solutions. As we see, we have this part for the strength member fixation that is done by screwing, and in the middle we have the storage area where we can store the unused fibers. As you can see, the routing is well described till the splicing cassette. The cables are fixated externally, as we can see here. As can we see, the cover is self-standing, so during the pole installation, facade installation, we do not face any type of issues with the cover that can make difficult the work for the installers. And as we can see here behind, in order to install this product on poles, we just need the metal clamps because this particular detail is already provided into the product. In conclusion, STL NanODC, as we can see, is a very compact solution, durable. So if you're looking for a space-saver solution, if you're looking for something that is very consistent in its performance, this is the right choice.